Alright everybody, welcome back to Days of Glory Shopworks, and on this episode we are pulling the boat anchor 383 out of the 1968 Dodge Monaco Wagon, and we are going to be installing this lovely little gem of a 440. Look at that gorgeousness. Hey, this thing is fully trimmed and ready to go. Pull the carburetor off, put the engine lifting plate on, put the flex plate on, and put her in. Mounts are ready, everything. Stay tuned. Is the jack engaged on the transmission?
Yeah. That's all that's left. Those two bolts.
Alright guys, as you can see, we are making progress. We have got the 440 in on the mounts, tightened down, bell housing bolts are snugged until we get to the bottom and finish tightening everything else up. Front dress is on the engine, radiator is in, looking sharp and shiny. We just got the carburetor on. We're dealing with the thermostat housing. Anybody that knows mopars knows the fun in thermostat housings. We'll get her though. And other than that, we got to hook up throttle linkage, kick down, and wire up the engine, which is essentially 3 wires at this point, minus of course the starter. But literally it's a charge wire for the alternator, a field wire, and the distributor and coil. Okay, like 6 wires maybe, something like that. Alright, we're gonna keep at it and get the top end buttoned up, then go underneath and get her all tightened and ready to rock and roll.
Let's just grab a fire extinguisher.
Just in case. Alright guys, it's been a couple hours later and Dominic, Roger, and myself have been hard at it. Well, I wouldn't say hard at it, but we've been at it. And it's got fuel in the tank. Everything appears to be hooked up. We don't have any leaks pouring out. There's a little bit of coolant in it. We don't know if the starter's going to work yet though. So battery's hooked up, nothing melted down while we were doing that. We're going to make it blow smoke really soon here, I hope.
You want to put way too much in?
Yeah, dude, we're desperate.
It's not good.
Has to be just perfectly a little too much. Oh, smart man. That would be best for the transmission, yeah.
Alright. Come on, Dad.
Come on, it's gonna go right away.
Let me just, we'll try this way. I don't know what way we're going. Okay.
Oh, we have spark.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see if we got fuel coming out yet.
The filter's on the bottom.
Oh, good point. Filter still appears to be dry. I'll get a little more fuel in there.
That's a lot.
Yeah, I filled up some of the bowl there.
I hope we pick up fuel.
Be nice.
Well, there's still fuel in the accelerator pump right now, so. And yeah, I don't see any in there yet.
So run.
Yep, we're good. Give me a sec here. Just mix that up a little bit more. There's no choke hookup to either, so try it. Why'd you do that? All right. Okay. I already have actually. I don't want to go too much more. Okay. 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 Alright guys, that's where we're going to leave this one. It's running, no problem. We got to get a drive shaft made and just a couple little cleanup items, check some wiring, a few things, but it runs, sounds healthy. Heck of a nice little cam in there. We don't know the specs on it, but it's a little lumpy if you can tell. And we're going to get the last few things done to it and call her a night. So thanks for checking out the video. We appreciate it. From myself and Dominic and Roger hiding in the background, we will all have a great night. You guys as well.